Hey familia, today I'm going to be showing you how to make soda crackers. But before we get started, if you want to see more Cuban recipes, click the subscribe button and the notification bell on the side so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. Hola familia, hoy vamos a hacer unas ricas galletas de soda. Se hacen con manteca o mantequilla. Para esta receta vamos a necesitar una taza de harina, una cucharadita de azúcar, la misma cantidad de polvo de hornear, unas pizquitas de sal, 2 cucharadas de manteca o mantequilla sin sal y 4 tazas de agua fria. So we're starting out with 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of lard or butter without salt, and a 1/4 cup of cold water. Now we're going to mix all of the dry ingredients together until we have a crumbly dough, and then we're going to add in the water little by little. And the reason why you don't want to add all the water in is because your dough may be too wet, so you want to just add it little by little. En este recipiente añade harina, manteca, polvo de hornear, sal, azúcar y ahora añadimos el agua fría poco a poco, mezclando hasta que la masa se mantenga unida, pero no esté demasiado pegajosa. Okay, so once our dough forms a ball, then we're ready to remove it from the bowl and we're going to start forming our crackers. Una vez que nuestra masa comienza a formar una bola, estamos listos para formar las galletas. So I'm just separating the dough into 2 parts and I'm going to use 1/2. And if you have a rolling pin, you can use it to flatten out your dough, or if you don't have one, you can use a bottle. Ok, extendimos la masa con un rodillo o una botella si no tiene un rodillo sobre una área limpia y enharinada. So once you have your dough flattened, then you can use either a wide glass or a wide cup to form your circles, or if you have a cookie cutter, that's even better. Después de aplanar la masa, usa un vaso o cortador de galletas para formar las galletas. Corta las galletas del tamaño en la forma que más te gusta. And I'm going to bake these on the silicone mat that you see right here. And you can get those. I'll leave a link below if you want them. They're heat resistant and they're reusable. Los tapetes de silicona son buenos para evitar que tus galletas se peguen, reduciendo la necesidad de grasa. After you form the circles, then you want to use a toothpick or a skewer to poke holes into the dough so that when you're baking it, it doesn't rise up. It will stay flat. Ahora pinchamos las galletas saladas con un palito para que no suban al hornearse. So now we're ready to start baking our crackers, and we're going to bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Okay, estamos listos para hornear las galletas a 400 grados Fahrenheit por 20 minutos, más o menos. And now they're ready, so I'm going to remove them from the oven and I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes. Ahora están listas, así que dejaré que las galletas se enfríen por unos minutos. And here they are. Let me take one so I can show you what they look like and also how crunchy they are. You hear that crunch? Como pueden ver, son crujientes y delgadas, como me gusta. I don't like the other crackers that are so thick that they break your teeth. No me gustan los rompedientes. So I make my crackers thin so I can enjoy them. Puedes comerlas con cualquier cosa. Mi favorita manera de comerlas es con queso crema y pasta de guayaba. My favorite way of eating crackers are with cream cheese and guava paste. If you know me, you know that I love guava paste and cream cheese. But anyway, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more recipes, you can subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and my Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y deja un comentario. Si quieres más recetas cubanas, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Sígueme en Facebook y mi grupo se llama Cooking the Cuban Way. Gracias por verme. Hasta la próxima.